These are my top 5 things that students forget to check in GCSE and A-level physics exams. So in at number 5, it's knowing your SI units, okay? You've got to know exactly what units we use when we make calculations. Now this book, my book, Memorise Equation for GCSE Physics, has all the SI units in and lots of practice. And you're only going to really get to know all those SI units by lots of practice. Just remember, you get rid of a prefix in every situation apart from kilograms. So check back through your units to make sure that you've used the right units throughout the calculation. At number 4, it's knowing your command words. And the most common one that students get wrong is the difference between describe and explain. Describe, say what it is. Explain, say why it is like it is. Okay, so just descriptive terms here and actual explanations of why it is there. Look back over your answer and check you're doing the right command word. If it says compare, compare in pairs. If it says evaluate, judge the different merits of certain things. Okay, know your command words and check back. Have you done everything in the command words? There is a mark for every single command word in the exam. At number 3, it is the number of marks and the clues that are in the question. So if you look at the number of marks, okay, there will be clues as to what each of those marks actually is in the way the question is worded, in the words they have actually used in the questions. So read back through and think, have I said 3 things? Is there a clue to something else, that last point maybe, the 3rd mark, and you've only got 2 statements down already? Is there a clue to getting that 3rd mark there? In at number 2, this is a really important one, rounding and powers of 10 errors. So a lot of students, when they do a calculation, they just give you the first 3 significant figures without looking at the 3rd one and saying, do I need to round that? Use your math skills and check that. And powers of 10 errors means you've got too many zeros, or you've got too few zeros, or you've used the standard form function and you haven't actually copied down the right number for that powers of 10. Maybe you've done a minus where there should not be a minus, or not got a minus when there should be. The powers of 10 button, make sure you can do it. It's this one here, times 10 to the something. If I want to write 3 times 10 to the 8, I type 3 times 10 to the 8. And that will give me 300 million, which is speed of light in meters per second. My top thing students forget to check in GCSE and A-level physics exams, which is the answer sensible? Is the roller coaster really 2 centimeters tall? Is the resistor really half an ohm resistance? Check that, have a good understanding of kind of rough dimensions of things, and just think to yourself, does that seem like a sensible answer? Is my car going faster than the speed of light? Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Kit Masters, and this is Gorilla Physics. We're all about you understanding physics more, so you enjoy it more, get loads of confidence, and then you're going to do better in the